morning, everybody. It's been a hot minute since I have vlogged a trip. I was running late this morning, so I didn't vlog anything. I was literally running out of the house. We just went to the Crew Outfitter store and just got a bunch of goodies. We never get to come down here. So now we're gonna head to our date. Here's my little Crew Outfitters haul. We got this little foam thing that goes over your handle, but mine doesn't fit. So hopefully it'll fit on my other suitcase. This little ID card. I got a little water bottle holder. I got one for me and one for my friend. So I don't know if it'll work. And then a scarf. And then just extra badge covers because you can't go wrong. Conversion thing for 99 cents because our temperature is by Celsius and I never know, so figured why not. I hurry this morning, but I wanted to show you what I'm wearing on my lips. I am wearing the it's like a little faded. It's the, I think I talked about this, it's the Innisfree Red number, what is it, 2? I think they only have 2 shades. And then my friend got me this lip coat. I've never heard of it, but it's supposed to seal your lipstick. So if you don't have like a long-lasting lipstick and you want to seal it, apparently I put this on. I've never really fully tested it or really used it. Yeah, so that's what I'm wearing on my lips. Just got on the plane. We have one leg, like I said, to Green Bay. And I ate yogurt and a granola bar, and my lipstick still looks like this. There's not really much. It probably just dried down. Maybe that stuff really does work. Yo, I literally have, any little thing I've done today, I've been so clumsy. I literally just dropped my phone. I literally just dropped my entire thing of snacks, like upside down. I don't know what it is. Like my whole suitcase has been falling over. Like I've been dropping stuff. I'm like, what is happening? I just got to my hotel room. It is cold and snowy here. We're in Green Bay, and it's like wet and like cloudy and yuck. I'm gonna work out. Awesome. This hotel has a microwave and a fridge. This is goals. I don't know what it is about today, but I'm feeling motivated and like encouraged, and I don't pass this up lightly. When I'm feeling in the mood to work out, I better take myself up on that offer. You know what I'm saying?
See you next time for another workout where I'll be getting you in.
Guys, I just did, let me find it. His name is The Body Coach TV. I literally just YouTubed, hotel room workout. And it was 18 minutes, 16 minutes. Wow, I'm hot. I have roasted sweet potatoes, ground turkey, and rice. I'm gonna eat half of this now. And then I usually just bring like a plate, like a ceramic plate. First of all, so I can act like I'm fancier than eating out of a plastic container. But mainly because, I don't know, like if I don't want to eat all this, I don't want to warm up this whole thing. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm just gonna kind of like ration it out on my little plate. Morning, guys. Day 2. I am making sure I'm not leaving anything. It is currently almost 5 in the morning. About to walk downstairs for the van. We have 3 legs today. We go Green Bay and Minneapolis. Minneapolis turn, and then we overnight in LaGuardia. So, longer day than yesterday. Pretty tired. Definitely need some coffee and some food in me for sure. I think I just realized I'm 20 minutes early. I left my key in the room. I guess I can prepare my breakfast and stuff in the lobby. It's like 5, and I thought my van, I think the van time's at 5:20. It's okay. Rather be early than late, right? At least I can take some me time. Yeah, so I am 20 minutes early. That's okay. I'm chilling by a fireplace. Maybe it's good. Maybe this is like I can start my day. So I got me some coffee. I was just about to put some collagen powder with some water in here. And I got my little packet. I just got these actually. I figured they'd be good for trips, like if I don't meal prep like veggies or something. Oh my gosh. I got it on Thrive Market, but you can get it anywhere. They are E-Boost, your veggie mix. And I got green apple ginger. And it has, you know, probiotics, energy, no artificial crap. And it doesn't taste too bad. You can mix it with juice or water. I'm not mad at it, you know, what is happening here. I would have done something to my hair had I not left my hotel room and realized that. It was like hustling too. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm running late. Alright, we got 2 hours, so you already know. We're going to Starbucks. I'm gonna be on the vlog.
We need a coffee. It's gonna be a long day.
Faux show. Thank you. You too, thank you. So quick update, we had to divert because it was too foggy to land in Grand Rapids, and so we diverted to Milwaukee. Quickly, you know, everything looks fine, and so we try to we get enough fuel so we could try like 2 or 3 times to land. Luckily we landed in on the first try, so like cool, quick like 20-minute flight, 20-minute inconvenience. Okay, that sucks, but like whatever. So now we are supposed to go to LaGuardia, and we're already delayed because of that, and now we have to call maintenance. So there's a giant scrape on the galley service door, so oh my gosh. Quick update, we're still here, still stuck till we finish with the maintenance and the paperwork is all done. We're supposed to leave an hour, almost 2 hours ago. I don't know when we'll be leaving. We are back in business, y'all. Maintenance, it's just gotta do paperwork, and then that's it. Oh, just got to my hotel room in LaGuardia. We are meeting downstairs in like 10 minutes. I just got dressed, and this was supposed to be 17.5 overnight, turned into a 14 or 15 and some change. My plan was to originally go downtown, but with all the delays, we were like, ugh, or go to Times Square. But my flight attendant and the first officer are still going, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna be tired, but I plan to go. I'm going to go. and not let this diversion and long day ruin my day. I probably wouldn't go if tomorrow wasn't the last day of this trip, and also if we didn't only have one leg. So I'm gonna go. I caved. I was like, final answer, I'm going. So our plan is to go to Times Square and snap some pictures, eat some dinner, and call it a night. I think I'm gonna start heading downstairs. I need my jacket. I'm gonna wear my work coat. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, the struggle is real. Oh, this hair though. Off all my dip powder on the metro. Onward. We made it to Times Square. Let's go get some food. Trash. What? Good morning. Have one leg. Back to Chicago. And should be easy. I shouldn't have even said that now. So we got back in around midnight and got a good, I went to bed around 1 and it's woke up at 7, so 6 hours. I just feel very puffy and tired, so I'm gonna go grab some coffee and get going. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.